Guys, to shut down our PC or laptop, we need to click 1, 2 and 3 times. But today we will learn how you can shut down the system only by double click and slide. To enable this feature, we need to click anywhere in the blank desktop with a right click, and after that new and shortcut. And there will be a pop-up window and you need to paste a command. I will give the command in the description box, and there next, and after that finish, and a new shortcut will appear in your desktop. Just double click it and enjoy it. To customize this new shortcut, you need to right click in it, and after that properties, and there in the shortcut menu you will need to click on the change icon button, and to ignore this just press OK, and after that you can customize as per your choice. So I am selecting this icon, then OK, apply, and then OK. Now you can enjoy the shutdown with only double clicking in it. To find more useful tricks like this, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you for tuning Utopian Days.